takot mo para sa amin na sabihin mo kanina na this is the grand finale? Why is that?
I feel that I'm not young anymore, and I think there should be young people again who should do the things I do. I think it's time for other people to shine. You know, I've been here too long. Just go imagine, 40 years. Para bang I like other people to shine. Siguro naman napakarami pang leader ang pwedeng makilala sa mundo. Hanggat nandyan ako parang bikig ako sa lalamunan nila. Siguro I think it's let other people do the work and let them shine.
But you've been a very good inspiration and a legacy, hindi lang sa LGBT, to all the Filipino people.
But I will still be there. Kaya nga pagka napapakonitrato yung mga tao, sabi ko, hindi naman ako artista. Pero people really put their heart into me, and I'm happy for that. Yung bang just a picture with you is a sign of happiness. Masaya na ako nun. Hindi naman lahat ng tao, maraming tao, maraming celebrity, maraming artista, pwede nating hangaan. Pero yung mahalin is another thing. Yung mahalin ka ng mga tao na hindi mo naman kakilala, napakalaking bagay na. And hindi basta-bastang pwedeng itapon yon dahil nilagay ka nila sa puso nila.
So what is next for Mother Ricky Reyes? After you, on April or I think on June, we're gonna be saying goodbye to the competition. What is the next thing that you are going to do?
I like to enjoy my time. Gusto ko maglamyada, gusto ko mag-travel kasama sila Cheska, mga kaibigan ko. And lagi naman kami nagbebiyahe, but kasi ako pag nagbebiyahe ako, on purpose lang eh. Pupunta lang ako doon because I'm the president, and you will attend cocktail, you will attend welcome party. That's it, and I'll come back. Gusto ko naman yung maggala, maglamyerda, mag-shopping, and buy all the things I want in life.
And what is your message to the all LGBT people out there na tinitingala po at kinikilala kayo bilang inspirasyon ng bawat isa?
Sa lahat ng miyembro ng LGBTQIA, my God, maraming salamat for making me an inspiration. But always remember na ang buhay natin, tayo lang ang may hawak. Let's make our life beautiful, and wag naman tayong gawing monkey in a cage or public amusement na pagtatawanan ng tao. Let's make our life a relevant one, tumulong tayo sa tao, at ganon gagalang tayo lalo ng mga tao.